Cutting wheels for steel pipe factories, enhancing precision and productivity. Steel pipe factories are at the heart of various industries, including construction, oil and gas, and manufacturing. Ensuring precision and efficiency in cutting steel pipes is critical to maintaining productivity and meeting quality standards. Cutting wheels play an essential role in achieving these goals. Steel pipe manufacturing involves cutting pipes to specific lengths for various applications. The process demands high precision, speed, and durability, as steel is a tough material that challenges standard cutting tools. High-quality cutting wheels for steel pipes often use aluminum oxide or zirconia alumina, providing excellent cutting performance and long wheel life. A thin curve minimizes material wastage and requires less effort from the cutting tool, ensuring smoother cuts and reducing heat buildup. Cutting wheels are indispensable tools in steel pipe factories, ensuring precision, efficiency, and safety in the cutting process. By choosing the right cutting wheel and following best practices, factories can optimize productivity and meet the high standards of the industry. Whether you're upgrading your factory's cutting tools or looking to enhance your cutting processes, investing in high-quality cutting wheels is a step toward achieving better results and long-term savings.